Hmm?
You.
Do you see yourself? Oh, yeah, that's you. Hey, how about you stop yelling? Are you ready? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to take a bath? Yeah, there's Jasmine. Are you ready to take a bath? No, not yet. Adrian, are you ready to take a bath? You don't know? Oh, okay. You want to finish your baba? Your milk? Finish your milk. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, I didn't know that. What? I didn't get that one. Oh. I wish I knew what you were saying. Yeah, so do you. Okay. Oh. What? Oh. Are you tired? Because we gotta take a bath soon. You don't know? Oh. Are you sleepy? You wanna go to sleep? Oh, yeah? Hey. You just hit Daddy. Oh, yeah. Do you want to eat your, finish your baba? Finish your milk. You don't know? Oh, okay. Uh-oh. Get your baba, you spilled it. You knocked it over. Get it. Get your milk. Okay, Nana, I'm going to sleep. Nana. Daddy's tired. Ew, you farted. I felt that. Okay. Do you see yourself? Is that Adrian? Who's that in there? Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No? That's you. Say bye-bye.
Bye.